Welcome to Unit 8. This unit is all about sports, fitness and health. I'm quite healthy. I exercise regularly and I have a pretty balanced diet. I should probably try to cut back on sugar though. Do you have a healthy lifestyle?
Yes, I would most definitely say I have a healthy lifestyle. I'm vegan, and so I'm very concerned about what I eat, and I also do sports on a regular basis.
I have a healthy lifestyle because I eat lots of vegetables and I go to the gym every day.
I don't think I have a healthy lifestyle because I eat junk food quite a lot.
In this unit, you'll learn to talk about obligation using have to. You have to be very fit to be a good swimmer. We'll also look at should and must for giving advice. I think you should get a lift home. You must see a doctor. In speaking and listening, you'll do a health and fitness quiz. What's the best form of exercise? Is water the best thing to drink after exercising? Some of the answers are really surprising. In reading and speaking, you'll find out about two women and a man who do extremely dangerous things as part of their job. You'll discover why they do their job, who they've worked with, and whether they've had any injuries because of their work. Watch a video about an exciting but quite dangerous job. Would you do it? Vocabulary and speaking looks at words for different parts of the body and for things to wear. You'll talk about your favourite clothes and outfits for different occasions. Everyday English focuses on expressions you can use when you go to the doctors. We'll look at common illnesses and conditions and their symptoms. Are you ready for a challenge? Go online and complete the challenge task. Use the discussion board to share ideas with each other. Have fun. See you soon.